This is Dominican Bachata, basic steps. We're going to start the first one, basic on the spot. We're going to start with your right foot for now. And we're going to start on the spot, 1, 2, 3, and tap, the same way as usual. And then you go left, right, left, tap. Now when you're doing this, the goal is not just to do step, 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 but to go through the hips. Hip and hip and hip and tap. Hip and hip and hip. Yeah, let's do it one more time. We go and right foot. 1, 2, 3, tap. Already better. Wonderful. Nice and easy. Next one. You actually already know this one. This one is going to be the same step, but we're going to rotate a little bit. So with the right foot, we're going to start. It's okay. We're going to go with the right foot. Small step forward. You're going to go 1, together 2, step back on the right foot, and tap. And you can do a little bit of a rotation. So you go left foot goes forward, together, back, and the other way. So we turn 1 to the left, and then 1, turn the other way around. Yeah, perfect. So you feel it's the same basic, but with a little bit of rotation. Yeah, a little bit diagonal. So you go left foot forward, 1, turn around this way. Good job. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3 on your own. 1, rotate faster. 1, 2, 3, tap. Hip, hip. Yes, very nice, beautiful. So far, so good? Yeah. Now comes a little bit of a tricky one. So let's go into a side and together movement. So you're gonna go with the right foot. We're gonna go side, on the spot, together, and then tap with the left foot. This one can be a little bit confusing because you have the tap and the step on the same position. If we do it one more time with the right foot, you go 1, 2, 3, and tap. And now you go with the left foot side and come back again. You go left foot, come back, together, tap. You got it. Okay, let's go nice and slow. Right foot goes side, on the spot, together. Good. Side, come back, step. Beautiful. A little bit faster. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 2, 3. Bravo. Okay. You have 2 more. Nice and easy. With the right foot, we're going to do a cross basic. So the cross basic looks like this. With the right foot, you're going to take a small step, a little bit behind. You're going to take the left foot across, take a side step, and tap. Good. Now you can do the same thing with the left foot. I'm just going to scooch a little bit this way. Left foot takes a small side step, small, across, step, tap. You got it. So we basically are always crossing in front for now. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2. You got it. Okay. Last one, best one for the end. We're going to do a box step, but in bachata. We've not done this before. So the box step is going to go work like this. With your right foot, you're going to go to the side, side, together. Then with the right foot, go back and tap. Now we go side together again, side together, forward, tap. You got it. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 2, 2, 3, faster. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7. You got it. Okay, let's try these together. Let's start with a basic on the spot. We're going to go right foot. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 2 just on the spot. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Good job with the hip movement. Roll, roll, roll. Now we'll do the rotating basics. So you go 1, 2, 3, tap, in, and out. 1, 2, 3, tap. You got it. Feels okay? I love how focused you are. Good job. Good. Back to basic on the spot. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Let's go traveling. Side, basic, travels. Side. Now we're going to go side into the center. So we go side, and together, tap, side, and together, again. 1, 2, 3, tap, 2, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and you can really use your hips, 5, 6, 7, beautiful. Let's just move back a little bit here. Now let's do the cross one. Cross with the right foot, we're going to go nice and gentle. We go step in front, step, tap, step in front, step, tap, ya, da, da, di, ya, da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. Beautiful. And now final one, let's do the box. We go feet together, we go side together, back, tap, I love it. How does it feel?
Good.
Good. 1, 2, 3, and hips. Hip, hip, forward. Hip, hip, forward. Okay.